Before you start learning, please check the instructions in the video description. Make sure you follow the learning tips carefully, and don't forget to turn on automatic subtitles and translate them into your language if needed. This will help you get the best results from the lesson.
Wheezing. He stood there wheezing, while blaring music filled the room. Wheezing. He stood there wheezing, while blaring music filled the room. Blaring. The blaring sound was so habitual that most people stopped noticing it. Blaring. The blaring sound was so habitual that most people stopped noticing it. Habitual. That habitual lack of patience often led people to cut in line. Habitual. That habitual lack of patience often led people to cut in line. To cut in line. To cut in line, despite knowing it was wrong, caused tension among everyone waiting. To cut in line. To cut in line, despite knowing it was wrong, caused tension among everyone waiting. Despite. Despite the tension, he felt anointed with a strange sense of calm. Despite. Despite the tension, he felt anointed with a strange sense of calm. Anointed. The media anointed him a future star and continued to hype his every move. Anointed. The media anointed him a future star and continued to hype his every move. To hype someone. Investors hype young entrepreneurs who they think will go places in the tech industry. To hype someone. Investors hype young entrepreneurs who they think will go places in the tech industry. To go places. To go places, he believed, also meant remembering to give a tithe. To go places. To go places, he believed, also meant remembering to give a tithe. Tithe. That tithe taught him discipline and the need to withhold unnecessary spending. Tithe. That tithe taught him discipline and the need to withhold unnecessary spending. To withhold. To withhold impulse was difficult, especially when he was still wheezing from stress. to withhold. To withhold impulse was difficult, especially when he was still wheezing from stress.